check it out now. Insurance. Now, we pray to God we never, ever have to use it, okay? Nobody wants to use their insurance. However, on the off chance that you are in a situation that requires it, you pray to God that you not only have it, but that your insurance covers what the fuck you just got into, okay? For example, you drive in a car, you hit somebody, they got a very expensive vehicle, you got a motherfucking hoopty. You pray to God that you have insurance to pay for their repairs, okay? Now, insurance is a thing that you can insure anything. I mean, listen, when I was DJing, I had to insure my equipment and insure basically the places that I went to DJ in case a motherfucker slipped over a cord, they're not suing me for $1 million. So a lot of people use insurance, okay? If you see these rappers with their chains, if they're smart, they have their chain insured. So if they get their chain snatched, they're not really mad because they lost the money. They're going to get the money back from the insurance company. They're just mad over pride, okay? Now, they even have insurance for tours. Of course, you got to imagine venues going to require that a artist coming to their venue for a performance has some type of insurance, or they might provide it, but it's going to be all billed to the performer just because of this, right? Think about if somebody gets seriously hurt at the goddamn concert. Think about if, I don't know, for whatever reason, the concerts get canceled or anything that could happen that prevents the concert from going as it should. You don't want to be sued or having to pay out all type of money. So basically, you have insurance. And by the way, even athletes have insurance, okay? LeBron probably got some insurance on his legs. All these college players who come out of college, they got insurance on their body in case their body gives out. They get some cash, okay? There's even life insurance in case a motherfucker dies. There's insurance for everything. Now, I say all that to say, Kanye West, of course, had tour insurance for the Saint Pablo tour. So when he started going motherfucking batshit crazy, he canceled all the tour dates. Now, you thought he was going to take a loss, didn't you? No, okay? Now, the money he would have gained from performing at the canceled dates, he is actually trying to get that money from the insurance company. Because he's saying to the insurance company, listen, me actually having a mental breakdown actually is one of the things that you guys cover, which means I should get paid. So he's actually filing a lawsuit because he claims that since he canceled the tour, they have been very slow in paying him out about $10 million, and he does not like it. He said his doctor claimed he was motherfucking off the deep end, which means he should have got paid, and all his medical records said that his condition at that point that led to the cancellation of his shows meant he should have got paid. So if he didn't get paid, they're trying to finesse him. So he's suing the fucking insurance company, and he's accusing the insurance company of doing all type of things to try to get from under paying that heavy tab. Okay, by the way, I don't even want to take sides here, but I actually believe he's telling the truth. I had a friend, and real quick story, I had a friend who was also a DJ who had insurance on like all his equipment, and of course like his car. He had a big truck he used to drive around equipment in, and his car got stolen. He pulled up to a neighborhood. Basically, niggas parked one car in front of him, one car behind him. When nigga hopped out, hopped right in the driver's seat and drove off. They had like pistol on him or whatever. They stole his car on some gone in 60 seconds type of shit, okay? Now, when this motherfucking thing happened, he said, okay, I ain't no gangster. I can't find these niggas, okay? He filed an insurance claim. He filed an insurance claim, and the insurance company ain't trying to pay out over like $50,000 for not only the vehicle, but of course equipment. So they tried to do their investigation to get reason to not pay it out. So they're trying to like do some legal stuff in terms of saying he's not qualified for a payout just because he was using the vehicle for more business purposes than he initially told him. They went as far as calling everybody in his contact list and definitely called me to corroborate his story because they wanted to catch him in a lie. Yes, insurance companies don't want to pay niggas money. Okay, if you're ever in a situation and you look towards your insurance company, they only pay if they have to. And unfortunately for Kanye, he got to file this lawsuit because they ain't trying to pay my motherfucking coin. Okay, and he's accused them of leaking stories about him to try to make their case or to make it seem like they have more reason to not pay him out. But Kanye says he wants the motherfucking check. So we'll see what happens, and we'll see what happens when it goes to court. Get a comment, guys. Like them, subscribe. Insurance is a bitch, man. Insurance is a bitch. You hope you never need it, but when you do, you hope you have it, and you hope it covers whatever the fuck you win. Get a comment, with Academics. I'm